Hello everybody, I tried to record an Angry Bird on plush, but my TV was up too loud. I turned it down. It was laid built a couple seconds ago, maybe like 50 or a minute, probably like half 30 seconds ago, or 31, I don't know. So this is my new one. I have a red Angry Bird plush. It's a good for a ball. And this is a good little bat. Yeah, good little thing for a finger. Yeah. I'm seriously, I did. Then just press that. Just this on the other side. Yeah. This was a hard thing. Like, so yeah. I'll be able to go time much, and yeah. I want you to comment below, and like, yeah. Bye. I hope you enjoy this, and you comment below. Bye.